Again, when we are talking about metals and reacting with dilute acids, and metals reacting the liberating out hydrogen by displacing the anion from the dilute acid. Zinc undergoing oxidation 0 to +2, hydrogen undergoing reduction +1 to 0. That is why hydrogen is displaced from HCl and hydrogen gas is evolved. Same thing, iron undergoes oxidation 0 to +2, hydrogen undergoes reduction +1 to 0. That is why iron is able to displace hydrogen from HCl and produce hydrogen gas. In the same manner, if we are looking at displacement reaction of two nonmetals, chlorine undergoes oxidation reduction. Chlorine undergoes reduction 0 to -1, displaces bromium from KBr, and bromine undergoes oxidation -1 to 0. Chlorine reduction 0 to -1, bromine oxidation -1 to 0. Here also, chlorine reduction 0 to -1, iodine oxidation -1 to 0. So all these reactions tell us that all types of reactions, be it double displacement, displacement, decomposition, combination, all types of reactions are nothing but a form of redox reactions. Children, we will not do disproportionation today. We will do disproportionation the next day, and we will do balancing of redox reactions the next day. Today we'll end up our class with metal displacement reaction. Go over every single chemical reaction in these 2 pages. If there is anything that troubles you where you did not understand whether it's oxidation or reduction, please give me a comment in the GCR so that I can help you out, or you can give me a personal SMS also. If I understand that you have not seen the YouTube videos, you will be in trouble. And if you have not seen the YouTube videos, you will not understand that there is a homework given from the exercise question number 1. I should receive the homework by 6 p.m. today evening. One more thing, all those students like Anuj, like Aditi, all those students who have submitted their homework, last homework to me, that means the homework which involved the molecular orbital electronic configuration to me, have been marked for their internal assessment. The rest did not get those marks. Thank you, children. Have a great day, but you will finish off your homework and give it to me in my personal WhatsApp by 6 p.m. today. Thank you so much.